Conversation starters for texting. Starting a conversation can feel awkward and stilted, like you're forcing something that shouldn't be forced. Face-to-face, you can use tips and tricks like complimenting them on something you saw or something in your environment. But over text, you might not know where to begin. Conversation starters give you an interesting or neutral place to start from, so that you can get past the awkward and to the good stuff. Flirty conversation starters for texting. Sometimes, cutting right to the point is a sound strategy. Showing your interest in a polite, respectful way can garner colossal brownie points from the beginning. 1. What are you up to today? I know a great cafe I've been meaning to check out. Let's try it together. 2. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Let's get some together. My treat. 3. Have you seen this movie? Let's watch it together. 4. How is your day going? And how can I make it better? 5. What do you have planned for this weekend? Can I be a part of those plans? Quirky conversation starters for texting. Be anything but boring. Using funny conversation starters can get your conversation partner thinking and laughing from the beginning, showing how interesting you are. This is also great because it lets you cut through some of the awkward with fun conversation. 1. What's your favorite dad joke? 2. What mythical creature do you wish actually existed and why? 3. What celebrity will play you in the movie about your life? 4. What's the funniest word in the English language? 5. What professional sport do you want to see a drunk version of? If you're enjoying this episode so far, I would appreciate it if you press the like button to help other people to find it. Deep conversation starters for texting. Maybe you're not a fan of small talk, or your relationship has progressed to the point where you want to know more. Deep conversation starters are the best way to offer space for your conversation partner to open up. 1. How do you define happiness? 2. What are you most passionate about? 3. What's the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? 4. What do you look out for in a best friend and why? 5. What are your biggest pet peeves? More conversation starters for texting. 1. What's your favorite movie and why? 2. What's your favorite musical genre? 3. When was the last occasion you cried? 4. What's your favorite social media platform and why? 5. If you could just stop doing one thing right now and never have to do it again, what would it be? Start a conversation. When starting a conversation over text, remember that the other person might not be staring at their phone, waiting for you to text. They may take a little time to answer you, a few hours, or even a day. If the topic of conversation is urgent, consider sending a text that explicitly says that it's urgent and why, or calling so that they can see how important it is. Don't put high expectations on other people's time. Texting is useful because it gives you control over when and how you respond. Instead, focus on starting a conversation that's fun for everyone. To download a free ebook, How to Talk to Anyone, 10 Simple Tricks to Have a Meaningful Conversation, visit www.selfimprovementvault.com or check the link in the description.